This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cameron McGill. A welcoming home in a very desirable neighborhood. The 4-bedroom/2-bath home featuring screened lanai with lake view, great room, dining living room area and inside laundry room. The oversized granite countered kitchen has enough extra area for a large kitchen table. A new roof was just completed, which is a great added plus when looking at homes in this area. This home is located close to many attractions in Fort Myers, including shopping, restaurants, lakes, park, beaches, FSW College, Twins and Red Sox Ball Parks and many more. If staying around home is the pleasure of the day, use your amenities that are offered to the residents. Community pool, spa, hot tub, clubhouse, billiard area, exercise fitness room, library, tennis courts, Bocce Court, basketball court, volleyball, bike and jog path are all close by the home. A lot to see and do in the Reflection Lakes area. Come see this inviting home and schedule your private visit very soon. For more information, review the details below.